ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy
dan wa iyan dan wa susuyan
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi ka jingit ka jong ayapi. Kanam kala.
Arpsantrik District Library Joy ka lang khatway ka ba RBG ka ba sanbat ka ba news po Try ko ngin sa kendo komplisibon. Amen.
Kalkasi Students Union KSU hagakat Southrik Naitung kaladawa nakasor karjala bakan kangdam sendan yak office jongka Atomic Minerals Directorate AMD Hanong Song batban pak tien syaka sarkar India baka jelakan omsya yak jingti uranium. General Secretary ke KSU Usamla Ruben Najar ulaong baka jing sngokya halur kamati uranium klami biang hadin ke jingkren padang shen jong umintri ke sarkar pedeng u Dr. Jitendra Singh ubalal ong baka jingti uranium kala ban urlang ha Meghalaya. Habakren syakilat patai kubor Usamla Ruben ulak keno bagi dan kidak kishin kipapau halur ke jing temu ban penim biang yakani kamati uranium. Ngila yoi baki dan kibriu kibat hit jaka hakatan dom yasian bat kibai kitan badan uranium. Haka juk kapor kibriu kibadan bor kintop ikitu kibalong kabenta jok sarkar kijulet jungo kha syakati katan bat persyang ban kro ya kitraish nong bakin de kijaka jongki bat ban ailat ikajingti uranium ulaang. Ulak dauru ya kijingkren jong mintri ke sarkar pedeng kumbala saki ling bakilat patai kubor kabapan scam ya kajing sngokya jong kaseng KSU baka sarkar India ka kwa banti uranium hapo Meghalaya. Usamla Ruben ulaong bakat ba umintri rangba lambat kiway pat kimintri kilayay penpau pakin omsya da leliru ya kajingti uranium ha Meghalaya Henry ulakin tu ya ka sarkar jala bakan menjur ya kajing persya ti uranium dak resolution hapo kaying dorbar thawan bat ban pha syak sarkar pedeng. Ngis ngotho batang ka resolution kan dan bor haba pha syakian jong ka sarkar pedeng Henry kan pha pat ya ka khubor ka baklan ulaong. Kaseng ka khotru ikilai tri ki Autonomous District Council ha Khasi Jaintia bat Garo Hills bakin wanra ya ka juk ka resolution bat pun pendan kam da kabor jong ka 6th schedule banthau yakian bankang persya ya ka jingti uranium ulaang haba benrap bagi par uranium kim dan tang hapo Southwest Khasi Hills Henry kidan ru haki benta jong ka rilum Jaintia bat rilum Garo. Uni unang yalam ke KSU labu jing keliru halwar ka jingdan kam bandan ya ka office ka AMD haslong da ka baang lada ka sarkar kam ko asisya ya ka jingti uranium ka eipat ka jingmot banbo ya ka office ka AMD Hanong Mansang kidiban khang damno kidiban batha iki officer ka AMD bakin mi no nakanika jaka na markat ba kanika office kadang dan ha kanika jaka kamat uranium ha Meghalaya kan omkon ka KSU ka yang scam ha ka nongrim ban persya ya kinu ki bawan ra ka jing penjat ya ka maryang karap karyang pat ya ka imlang salang ngimla satya ban muddor halur ka jingta lada sya ya ka jingti uranium kumta ngin ailat satya ya ka ni banja ula benrap
is considering the fact that the uranium mining is a possibility in Meghalaya, to which we would like to thank the press for doing their investigation in this part, because as a union we have shown you that the uranium issue in Meghalaya has been revived again because of certain aspects that we have seen regarding which we have already briefed the press, because there are people who are buying land in domicile area and other areas where there is a concentration of uranium, and at the same time also there has been several people who are influential and who are part of the government also, who visit frequently in these areas and who try to tell the people to give away their land and to allow uranium mining. And today what we have seen in the papers that verifies our claims, and it is pertinent that government of India wants to mine uranium from state of Meghalaya. To this we have we have to again stress upon the role of the state government. We have seen several press releases from the Honorable Chief Minister and other ministers regarding the uranium issue that they will not allow uranium to be mined in Meghalaya. But words does not have a value if your action doesn't interpret it that way, or if your action is contrary to your words. We have seen that the CM time and again has reiterated that he will not allow uranium to be mined in Meghalaya, but these kind of instances where people are buying land, the AMD officials are frequently visiting the place. They are government officials and government people who are in influential position who comes and tell them to sell away the land. These are the signs which shows that this topic is very much open to the public, and in case the union don't see it coming, uranium will be mined in Meghalaya. So if the state government is true to its words, we want them to show it in action. The first thing what they can do is that they can pass a resolution in the House showing a statement or a message to the government of India that they will not allow uranium to be mined. We understand that resolution does not have any power when it comes to the office memorandum or the law by of the government of India, but still it will be one message. At the same point of time also, we urge the three autonomous council, the Jantia, Garu and Khasi, to pass a resolution in their respective houses, and also because they are under the schedule, they have the power to make laws, and they can make laws, they can make land laws stating that uranium will not be mined in Meghalaya in their respective jurisdiction. They will not allow, because uranium is not only present in South West Hills, it's also present in different regions of Garo Hills and Jantia Hills district also. So it has to be a collective effort from all the Autonomous Council and the state government also to pass the resolution in this matter. And finally, if the state government really feels that they will not allow to mine uranium in Meghalaya, then what is the purpose of having the office of AMD in Nomansong? They can do away with that office. They instruct the office of AMD to leave the area, and they can use that area for some other purpose. Because as long as AMD office is there in Nomansong, uranium issue in Meghalaya will not end. But as a union, we will always be firm in our stand that we will not allow any kind of activity henceforth to take place, because we have seen in exploratory mining what kind of damage you have done to that region, to that area, to the people, to the agriculture. We have seen that only with the exploratory mining, if it can cause so much of damage, then what will happen if there is an open mining also? So we will stick to it that we will not allow uranium to be mined, and we will also like to send a message to the government of India that remember that the Khasi Federation state did not sign the instrument of merger. We did not, or the merger agreement. Till date, we are only annexed with India with the instrument of accession. So we are still sovereign in our own capacity. So if the government of India force or use their power to mine uranium, then this issue will come up again, because we are still independent, we are still sovereign, and we will act accordingly if the government of India force us into this matter. Nak persya nak por sa por nila cuya keran halo ta mat ba kai ka jington kam bandon latika office EMD hentai ti kuma ong hi ngin pat bu ya kan kon wadat lain namar ba ngan keran sya ipi kinu ministers haduk menta bengdang kendu halo kan ni kamat Syaki press tarai ki laban brief da kumui hende kamat jungi idon mitu jing artatin hapor bagi keran haba di bakani kamat ngam tip balik ki artatin ngam tip yo le se kajingwan khari kini ki union minister sini ru kala ban ling lang tu kat kani gedi tanga ju suba kam di bang ong kali se kala ban unta ngri le si ila ban don hitai ila ban buno lang hitai bentaru ba kimnut re ban ong openly ba ning tre uranium te ningkong ni syap sing ko ban pni ya karai jung bor han ru phung ki mi bakin pni shu ha kayeng dar wa thong an bakin yo ya confidence jung pat ba baki ong em yurinyam hadin ka tu pat te ngin sawat khila lenti ban dawa ben sarkar bakai ati office semua ban pen kendrian lese ka food court badi ban don jong ka marse jong so umling wana no situation mun songru ni shulong kan kham bahaya to office jong indi kadang jing wan kaliang ki office jong MD lesi ban kendo ya katu kat ningut ki beriu hantai ki ba ya sya ban ti urnyam namar ba watla kendai pu person nas tu ba ki beriu hapo domisil ne hapo saubas kasil strik ki persya ya ki ti urnyam henry ki don pat katu kat ni ki langyong ki bala sya thet aka bor pisa ki baju ya trilang berka EMD te kalit kendu iki ban penbet penbiang ki we bentar nomor ba kumba wang ping ngila pen pau ngila tip ki Emily bari menu ba ti cakaste lesi ban pen kelai ki kerteng kenang ba kadum don ke nomor ba nakaliang kasing idang yele ban wat ki official records kenang ba ngila yo official records ngila ban pentip ba ngila ban pelat ciki pat ba boro endai kat ban pat yo minum pelat lesi kala ban di hitai bentar ki ko ban buri kita ki boro ikam